So after giving it some time, just visit your main link. That is, this is your website link and this is your administrative link. So just remember your password for your WordPress administrative. So at this point of time, I'm already logged in. This is my simple website. This is my blog, which is ready. And if I go to my administrative link, you can see this is my username, and here I will be getting some navigation thing. And also you will be seeing some notifications that can be from WordPress or any random notification that about the blog, if someone commented on your website and anything related to that. So at this point of time, I can dismiss that. And okay, so this is it. So let me give you an overview of WordPress. WordPress is a one-click CMS, that is content management system. So once you have installed it, you can try different type of themes, you can try different type of plugin. And if you are a PHP developer, if you are a front-end HTML, CSS, Bootstrap developer, you know basic of JavaScript, you can actually edit themes also. So it's depend on you. And if you don't know any languages, you can just use direct themes. Most of the bloggers, they don't know any language, so they use direct themes. And you can also do that. There is no harm with that. So at this point of time, we are using by default theme, which is 2018. And let me close all the different tabs. So now this is my main website. I have closed all the different tabs. So be sure you have saved your account information, that is your WordPress account information, that is your domain, and as well as your hosting. They are really important, and make sure you keep them in secure. So now I'm on my WordPress website. So let us travel with the basic flow of WordPress. So this is the basic dashboard. You get all the notification here. If you have installed any different third-party plugin, that is if you are taking service from anyone else, that would be shown here. There are several other things that we'll be doing, and this is basically your notification area. So you get all the information here in a small manner. So you need to draft something, you can do that. You can check all the comments. You can see how many blog posts you have, how many pages your website have, recently published comment, or any nearby WordPress event. You can check that. So there are approx 50 million websites that are on WordPress. So this is one of the best thing. So at this point of time, we are not using SSL certificate since this is a demo website only. So if you are using any paid website, that means your paid hosting or paid domain, your SSL certificate and CDN will be must. That we will be doing in our next section. So at current, let's go through the WordPress flow. So if you visit here, you can see all the updates, that is your theme updates, your plugin updates at update section. So there will be any update that is coming to you, you can check it here. And updates are really important for security purpose. Now if you need to add more posts for your blog, you can just visit your blog and click on add new. So if you are going to add anything, you can do that here. So blog contains few important things: your title, the content and the description, your category, that is the blog category, their tags, as well as the feature image. So it is recommended to have at least 300 to 500 words blog. So that is a must. And if you need to check all the blogs, you can go to all posts. So here you can check all your blog posts. By default, WordPress give you one blog post, that is hello world. So if you scroll down on our main site, you can see hello world blog post. Also your free site will be slow, so don't complain about it since everything is free. So at this point of time, you can see there is one hello world blog post. And now if you need to add more categories and more tags, you can just visit categories and you can add more categories as well as tags. So this was the first thing, that is our post. Next thing is media. So all the images, all the feature image or our website image or any video, any PDF or any type of file will be stored in our media. So if I go to my library, at currently there is no file because we haven't uploaded any folder, any post, and we have only one default image that is included in our theme. Now the third element is pages. So if you want to create about us page, you want to create terms and condition page, you want to create private policy or any page, that would be inside your page section. So you can create different pages and that would be useful. So if you are creating blog, that is a separate thing. You are creating post only. So this page section will not be useful at current. And now if you want to check all the comments, that you can do from the comment section. Okay, so this was for our blog only. Now, the second part of this is if you want to edit our website, if you want to improve our website, if you want to change design of our website. So that includes in appearance. So if we need to change this theme, if we need to change the design of the theme, we can do that. By default, we have 3 installed theme, that is 2017. I thought it was 2018 because it's 2018, so it's 2017, and earlier was 2016 and 2015. All these themes are customized, they are really popular, they are responsive, and they are bug free. So this is by default theme and you can use them. So if you see, it's look fine to me. If you want to change the theme, you can just go to add new theme and you can search for any theme. So these all are free themes and they are most probably blog themes only. So if you want any other themes, you can just search for blog and they will be showing many different blog themes. So you can see all BW Writer blog, ST blog, all blog, and all the different themes. So you can do that. We'll be doing in our next lecture. Now this is theme. If you want to customize anything on your website, you can go with the customization. And the third is widgets. So if you see the sidebar and anything else, these all things come under widgets. That is this particular tab, your search panel, your categories, mainly on this page. So this comes under widgets. So if I go under widgets, this must be blog sidebar. You can see it's search, recent posts, recent comments, and all the other things. So these are into same manner. So if I need to remove anything, just let me remove this meta. Let me remove this. Let me remove recent comment also, and let these 3 only. Let remain these 3 things only, and go to my website and refresh. Now you can see I have removed all the other things. So that's fine. So you can edit this. If you want to add something on footer, you can add this, custom HTML, your gallery, some audio, and anything else. So that's come under widgets. Now there are menus. So if you change themes, there are chances that menu will be appearing at the header, like most of the websites or most of the blog do. So that would come under menus. At this point of time, we don't have any pages or anything else. So usually blogs 2 is home, then about us, then contact us. So these all are pages that come into menu. Now that's header and editor. So editor is one of the things that is used to edit our website using codes. So it is recommended to don't edit anything, because whenever an update came from WordPress, these codes will be removed. So if I see, these all are HTML, CSS, PHP files. So I would not recommend you to edit this unless and until you are good with PHP or HTML or CSS or whatever you are editing. So you need to create a child theme that is a part of WordPress development specifically. Now this is done. So appearance is done. Now let us talk about plugin, which is one of the most important part of WordPress. So if I go to plugin and see, these 2 are my by default plugins. One is Hello Dolly, which is KB in size. This is by main WordPress owner, and I don't know why. They also don't know why. This is from by default from whenever they have created WordPress. And the second one is anti-spam. So this is good one. You can keep it. So adding more plugins means adding weight to your website. So it's like adding more furniture to your home. So you need to keep a proper number of plugins and use only plugins that are useful to you. So what plugins do? So it's help you to add more functionality to your website. So you don't have to code anything. You just need anything actually, and you can install that. So that's where plugins come. You just need to click on add new, and there are several free plugins, same as free themes. And then you can add new, and there is editor. That is, if you need to change any code for any plugin, there is editor. And also if you have created any website where user can log in and register, you can check all the user. So just go to your user section. You can see there is one user, that is admin at this point of time. You need to create more editors for your website, that is for your blog. You can do that. Now there is tools. So if you want to shift data from your website to any other website, if you want to get data from any other website and save it here, you can do that. So this is usually used when you are transferring your website from one blog to another blog. You can just export data, and if you are getting data from any other website to a website, you just need to import. And the last thing is setting. So here you just need to change your title, your tagline of your blog, that is shown here, and also in your header section. And the next thing is your website URL, your email address, and all the other things. So you can do that in setting. So this was it. This was some basic random stuff about WordPress, a simple walkthrough so you can understand what is WordPress and how we can control it. So I hope you now have a basic idea. In the next video, we'll be adding a blog post and showing you how you can add multiple blog posts.